Hi everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make a simple paper boomerang. To make the paper boomerang, you need a piece of printing paper. You can use either US letter size paper or A4 paper, and you need a pair of scissors and regular paper tape. Alright, so let's start now. Let me put the pair of scissors away and also the paper tape away. Now let's start. First step, we need to fold the paper in half this way first. And then unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from both edges, fold both edges to the center crease. And repeat the same fold for the other side. And then unfold the paper. Now let's flatten the paper down. Next step, let's start from this edge fold it to the other edge to create another center crease. Looks perfect. Now let's start from this edge and the other edge, fold both edges to the center crease and continue doing the same step. Let's do it for the other side as well. And continue, start from both edges, fold it to the center crease. And now fold the paper in half and press down the paper very hard. Then adjust it just a little bit and fold it in half. Perfect. Alright, so this is what we have. On the following step, we will start from this crease to create one side of the boomerang. So just fold this side up, adjust it a little bit more until it's look like this. You can adjust it just a little bit more until it's look like this. Okay, or more like this, like a U. Okay, so this is what you should have. When you finish one side, repeat the same for the other side. Let me show you how to do it again. Push this up. When you push up, it should look like this, right? You pull it up a little bit more, If it look like a U, you can push it a little bit more too. Also for this side, let's pull it up a little bit more. Alright. When you finish one side, make sure that you fold the other side the same way. We want both sides even. So this is what we have. We want it to look even cooler by pull it up a little bit more. I'll pull it up a little bit more and make it look more like a U. Same thing for this side. I'll pull it up more, so it look more like a U. Okay, and here you go. So this is what it should look like. You can make it wider or narrow. So either it's more narrow and narrower or wider is fine. And now we need to use a tape and a pair of scissors to tape it. So let's cut the first one. Tape the first one. I will tape the top. Let me cut it smaller. So the first step is to make sure that everything stay balanced. So let's have a little bit here to make sure that it stays what it is, and we'll cut this. This is small as well, so tape the top first. So make sure that it will stays nice. When we hold everything together, when we make sure that everything looks fine, you can adjust it just a little bit more. I will make it more narrow. Same thing for this side. So when you see this, when you see the crease here parallel with this edge, that is where we will stop. So same thing for this side. I will adjust it a little bit until the crease parallel with the edge. So both sides are almost the same. We need to make this side larger, wider a bit, higher a little bit, so that both sides are even. If they are not even, they may not fly well. So this is very important that you adjust it until they both sides are even. That's all we need to do. Okay, so when both sides are the same and it's look like a U now, you can put out a little bit. Here we go. So that's look perfect. Let's look perfect now. Let's tap the center too. So now we need to tap the center. Alright, that's look fine now. Now we cut more tap to tap everything together. Let's cut it a little bit long and tap the center first. You continue tapping the center. It should be long because if it's long, it will make the boomerang look nice. If it's too short, this will not look cool at all. So tap the whole thing. Now it's look much nicer. Cut a little bit longer to tap the end of this side of the boomerang. Tap it. Same thing for this side. Let's cut that a little bit more. Put it to a side and then I will tap it. Okay. And now we can use this edge or this crease as a preference to tap the other one. So finish, finish, and finish. Tap it, and this looks so nice. Same thing. Cut it. I'll cut the tap. And then I will tap it right just here. I will tap this side like this. I'll press down the paper, make sure that this will stay cool and strong together. Very simple. And I tap. Let's just look a little bit nicer. And of course we need to tap both sides here as well. Let me do it. I will cut the paper long. This is the paper tap. So start from here. Okay. Press this. And then let's tap it this way. Alright. So this is when we finish one side. We repeat the same fold. Actually same tap. We tap it the same thing for we continue from here. We can continue from here. Actually, let me do it this way. We'll start from this side first. Adjust this just a little bit. And then I would tap it up here to the center. And we of course need more tap. I will cut a little bit more here. And I will tap this side. I will tap here. Continue from here. And I will continue to tap it to the other side. Same thing. Whatever way you do, just make sure that they are even. This is always good to keep the tip stay even. Two things. First is to help it stay strong. The second is your boomerang look cool. When you finish that, this is ready to fly. Now, when you finish the boomerang, do not throw it right away. You need to learn how to throw it first. Hold the boomerang right here and throw it up at 10 to 20 degrees. Make a kick like this and test to see how it's flying. If it doesn't fly well, try to throw it a little bit higher or lower until you get used to the boomerang, and you will love it. Test it out. I bet that you will love this boomerang because this is so easy to make. It's look nice, and try it out. Finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Okay guys, and now I'll show you guys how to throw the boomerang. Hold it like this and throw it up at 10 to 25 degrees and make a kick throw like this. When you throw the plant, just throw it and then stop and then release the boomerang. It will come back to you. So let's try it out. Let's try it again. If you throw it higher, it will come back better. See that?